been told, a fountain full of lies. Been hurt before and told not to cry. And I chose to stay. I was terrified that it could get worse and I'd never find someone to love me. And I couldn't breathe, I could barely smile. Was insecure when I lost my sight. Would you love me, love me, love me now? Would you hold me, hold me, hold me now? Can you pull back together what's ripped apart and long, long, fix me up? Can you say my name, say it loud and long, love me now? Thought I'd never fall in love again. Till you caught my eye and took me by the hand. You gave me wings, you made me fly, told me new things, brought back my smile, made me feel good about myself, got me on high, got me on hook. You opened up my eyes again.